All right, we want to get right to Betsy. I understand, Betsy, you've got some new information for us regarding this weather today.
Yeah, we have an upgrade to Medina County to the lake snow warning. Not a huge deal, but just kind of something that is noteworthy. This is downtown Cleveland right now. You can see off in the distance, this is one of the bands of lake effect snow. You can see kind of the striations coming down. That is the snow that is coming out of the sky. Temperatures are going to hold here in the mid-20s as we head through the next several hours, and we continue our weather impact alert day because of this lake snow. Not just now, not just tonight, but into the day tomorrow. So definitely allow for some extra time. I mentioned Medina County. It's now added to the other primary snowbelt counties and some of the secondary snowbelt counties where we have a lake snow warning that continues through 7 a.m. tomorrow. Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties, your warning goes until Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Otherwise, we have winter weather advisories that continue to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. On the big picture, we're going to start here because it's kind of easy to see. We have more lake effect snow to go. We are seeing banding coming off of the northern lakes. For now, that northwest wind is continuing to push it right into the primary and secondary snow belts. But we've been watching this little band that's coming off of Lake Michigan and then hopping over the west end of Lake Erie. That's the band that is heading farther west. So that's why Medina County was upgraded. In these scenarios, the lake effect snow can come at us from hundreds of miles away. And this is what we are dealing with. So that western band right here is expected to continue into the night. So we're going to continue to have light snow showers on and off through Lorain County and then also into this Medina County area. We're going to continue to watch how this snow comes down. And then, of course, the primary and secondary snow belts, that traditional area when we have this northwest wind that will continue to have the snow. We are still seeing bursts of heavier snow. That one just went through Medina County and Medina proper. It's now down toward Barberton, headed off toward Portage Lakes. We have some heavier snow that's coming down in northern sections of Portage County and then into Geauga County and southern Ashtabula County too. And you can see how it does a number on the roads. Where that heavy snow falls, we start to see the traffic slowing down. That is the case right now on I-76 in the Wadsworth area, Seville, over toward Barberton. This is a look at 76. You can see the snowflakes on the camera. That's impressive. These are those big dinner plate flakes coming down. Not too bad on the road pavement as of yet, but it gets slushy very quickly. The other thing to note, we are now at sunset or close to it, and that means everything starts to cool. So whatever snow is coming down is fluffy and it's really going to stick. This is in Bath, I-77. Look at the road. It is not in great shape right now. So we have very changeable conditions as you're going from place to place. That's just on either side here of southwestern portions of Summit County. Then you move a little bit farther north. We're dealing with the same kind of slow down conditions on 271, on 480, on 90. So just be prepared for those varying conditions based on visibility and the pavement, because the pavement's going to be cooling off, and that means it'll be slush turning to snow covered. We also have blowing and drifting snow that is a problem. We have wind gusts that are still clocked at times over 30 miles per hour. Slowly but surely these wind gust speeds will be coming down, but we're still going to have 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts through the night. That means that the temperatures, which are now in the 20s, that are going to fall back into the teens, feel even colder. So right now it feels like it's in the single digits in some locations, and that is not changing. We have a frigid night on tap and a really cold start to your day tomorrow too. National Design Our hour-by-hour forecast continues with this lake effect snow. Multiple bands coming in, but we are likely to see a lot of this shifting more toward the primary snow belt late tonight. There you see how those bands come in, with that western band also impacting areas of Lorain, Medina, Summit, and Portage counties into the early morning tomorrow. The other thing to note, look at the pink numbers. These are your wind chill numbers, single digits to near zero to begin the day tomorrow. It's not going to be a great day to be out and about, but you can see we're going to hold on to those single digit wind chills through the entire day. Temperatures staying in the 20s as that lake effect snow finally winds down, but it does look like we're also going to get some peaks of sunshine. So there's that, but it's just going to be a really cold day for us. Now let's talk about snow accumulations. This is going to be varied, okay? okay? Where we have these snow bands set up, we are going to get the snow. The fluff factor is with us, okay? So we're going to see it. I think where the snow band's set up, we're likely to get at least 2 to 4 inches of snow. If we can get a stagnant band, which would most likely be in the primary snowbelt areas, we're probably looking at upwards of 6 to maybe 10 inches of snow. I know that showed that it wasn't very much, but it all depends on how stagnant things are going to be. Beyond the next 24 hours, we are still keeping a close eye on Monday. The snow is not lake effect. The snow will be south on Monday. We're going to talk more about that coming up in our next half hour. But in the meantime, your Union Home Mortgage forecast highlights that Monday is our next weather impact alert day for now. Hopefully that storm system continues to slide south. If it does, we could probably drop that weather impact alert. But we will continue to have snow showers into the middle of next week with cold air. And finally, by next weekend, it looks like things may start to warm up a little bit.